Okay, so here's a lesson we just worked on.
Yeah.
So Jim shot in these trees, and it looks amazing.
Look great.
Here's the problem. It's so contrasty now. You got dark trees, bright spots. So first thing Jim wanted to do was, well, I'll make it darker. The problem is you're just going to make the trees darker. You still have the bright, so you have more contrast.
Mm-hmm.
So how do we fix it?
Just open up the lens, right? Bring more light in.
Yeah, slow the shutter speed down.
And made all the difference.
Yeah. So once you got
taking out the,
once you open the shadows up,
that's what I was trying to say.
Yeah, you opened up the shadows and we got rid of the contrast, and now it became a usable background.
Yep.
So great tip. You get into a harsh, contrasty situation, don't try to make the background darker. Make the background lighter.
Quiet car. You know what that means. This was a good day.
It was.
We left it all. We all went there and all that. We gotta make sure we don't get blue light on our face.
So John, you're shooting the outhouse? Right. It is an outhouse. John picked an outhouse for his spot.
We'll see how it works.
Because there is a blue cast even through that chain link fence.
Yeah, so we might be able to blast it through light.
This is the spot. Gonna create magic here. I love it.